Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is February 29, 2024, Thursday, last trading day for the month of February, and also option expiry for both Nifty and BankNifty. This will be the last month end where last time where we'll have BankNifty and Nifty expiring on the same day as far as option is concerned, unless otherwise some changes comes in. Okay, so first the level, then we go into the discussion part of it. BankNifty closed today at BankNifty closed 46,120.90, 0.34% up, while FinNifty closed at 2407.90, 0.33% up. Nifty closed at 21,982.80, 0.14% up. So yesterday, if you recollect, after such a big red candle, in fact, FinNifty and BankNifty decisively went below the Bollinger Middle Band and the 20-day exponential moving average. We had said that now that will act as a resistance. Of course, what happened? It was below the exponential moving averages also. Today, it opened a gap down and went down, and first 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, up to 11:30, it was down and it was sideways, trying to get grip of it and then start moving up. After which, what happened? It went up beautifully, but still it could close only below the key exponential moving averages, and still that Bollinger Middle Band and the exponential moving average is not taken out. As far as Nifty is concerned, it formed a small red candle. It is in the monthly, it is nicely riding along the Bollinger upper band. In the monthly chart for the month of February, BankNifty formed a Doji, while FinNifty formed a spinning top. So Doji means what? It is perfect indecision. So it's a perfect indecision. So in a month, technically, if you see from February 1st till today, nothing has happened at the end of it. See, that's what I tell people, learn candlesticks. Because if someone were told that February month nothing happened, oh, nothing has happened. But in between, many things happened, right? So many people lost money, few people made money, all those things happened because that is what the movement happens in between. But ultimately, it formed more or less at the same level, forming Doji. It is more or less at the same level as that of January close. So still all the indices, including Nifty, is below the Nifty is slightly above, but otherwise all the indices, that is FinNifty, BankNifty, all are below the 2023 close by 3 to 4%. Hence, like what you call, still there is undertone is not strong. The reason is, I have explained many times, because of HDFC. So today's movement is kind of I would call as a relief rally. So we have to see how tomorrow it goes up, because even if it goes up, the Bollinger Middle Band and exponential moving average will act as a resistance. Okay. Then the next week will come. Of course, starting tomorrow onwards, it is a new month, that is March month. Hence, like the movement will be different, and it will have a what you call an additional fuel or something like that you can call, because it is a fresh month. How it goes in the monthly chart is very, very important. That's what we have to see. So overall, in the month, nothing much has happened as far as BankNifty and FinNifty is concerned. While Nifty formed a solid green candle, not a spinning top, but it is riding along the Bollinger upper band. That means as long as it is riding along the Bollinger upper band, there is no harm to it. One can hold the position. However, if global markets, I see a lot of exuberance in particularly Bitcoin. It has gone to 61,000 levels. Tremendous amount of exuberance I am seeing in the last 2 days. This exuberance is not good. If that falls, it's a risk of trades. Then obviously you will have the indices, global index also will have some beating, which I expect next month. If that happens, one has to be careful. In Indian market also, we might also follow suit and have some fall. That is what it is. So with this, let's go into the discussion part of it. Today, as I said, nothing much had happened. Banks, nothing fell. Everything remained flat, excepting ICICI Bank, IDFC First Bank and SBI, which moved up. All other heavyweights like HDFC, Kotak, everything remained flat. But on the face of it, it remained flat. But Kotak and all, it formed a long leg doji or a what you call bullish harami type candle, which kind of is the selling, you can say, is arrested. But as I said, that the 1649 levels or something, which is last year's low, that has to be protected at any cost. If that is broken down, then the fate of Kotak will be the same as that of HDFC Bank. As far as in the Indecision Bank and Yes Bank, they moved up by 3%. On the financials, Bajaj Finserv, IDFC, L&T Finance, LIC Housing Finance and M&M Finance 1% up, Chola, Manappuram Muthoot 2% up, Shriram 4% up. Shriram, as you know, it has been included in Nifty, hence obviously there is some positive vibe in the stock, because there is going to be funds flow, additional funds flow, because it is moving into Nifty, hence like there is some positive momentum in the stock. Insurance and cards, ICICI General, SBI cards 1% down, LIC, SBI Life 1% up, ICICI Pru 2% up. Oil and Telecom, Reliance and Bharti remained flat. That explains why Nifty underperformed BankNifty and FinNifty. In the IT, Emphasis TechCam TCS 1% down, LTI Mindtree 2% down. So that explains very clearly. Apple, Birlasoft, Coforge, HCL Tech 1% up, Intellect 4% up. Intellect is in a significant up move. Consumer goods, Trent 1% down, ABFRL 2% down. I have told many times that the movement of Trent and ABFRL will be identical. Asian Paints, Pidilite, Titan and Nestle 1% up. Britannia 2% up along with DMart. Berger had a massive move of 7%. Automobiles, Tata Motors, Eicher Motors 1% and 2% down respectively. Bajaj Auto 3% down. Escorts, Hero Motors and Maruti 1% up. M&M and TVS Motors 2% up. Metals, NMDC 1% up, National Aluminium 2% up, Jindal 3% up, others remained sideways. Health and Pharma, Divi's 1% down, Apollo had a big fall of 4%. While people attribute to government coming out with and all those things, it is more of technical. Last 2-3 days itself, it was showing signs of reversals. This could have added to the fall, but definitely technically it was showing weakness. That was a fundamental thing. Thyrocare 1% up, Lalpat 2% up. In the others category, Jubilant Foods and UPL 1% down. Aries, Indigo, Polycab, Ultratech 1% up. Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Godrej and Nykaa, Godrej Properties and Nykaa 2% up. MCX 3% up. Zomato 4% up. APL Apollo 6% up. Two things before we end the call. First is tomorrow I have some medical appointment, so hence I will not be able to put my video tomorrow. Second is that there are many people who are watching my videos. I would humbly request them to put your comments, which will be a motivating factor for me, and also will spread out the message to others so that everybody can be beneficial. As I always say that we are not SEBI registered, hence we will never give any recommendations. We will only touch upon discussing the technical aspects of it, how technically it is looking, what one has to look, and all those things. That itself is a great amount of learning. It will be an eye opener for you to make an informed decision. Thank you very much.